It's almost like viewing the comeback of T-Rex. It was known as the strongest of all the dinosaurs, with its binocular vision and overwhelming power. Keep developing forever. Now it has appeared in our electronic world as the strongest mounder in its class. This is an all-round machine incorporating both rarely experienced capability along with highest speed in its class. Only the strongest model can have the symbol of Z. And the term limitless expansion expresses the infinitely expanding versatility of this machine. Together, they express the new high-efficiency modular mounter, ZLEX. Current times require flexible productivity capable of small volume multi-type production on the same production line. These days, this type of production is important in SMT production. This type of production has created demand for one machine capable of efficiently doing it all. Have you ever had trouble with unexpected losses from head replacement where both speed and versatility are needed? Losses from production stoppage due to downtime for head replacement. Losses from equipment costs for spare replacement heads. Line balance losses. Are production losses caused by ever smaller and diverse components unavoidable? No. For ZLEX, these are not unavoidable matters. What makes this possible is using only one head to handle a wide range of components and at the same time maintaining speed at the fastest level to deliver top-level production performance. The ZLEX achieves all this with a one-head solution, an ideal concept for SMT production. On the ZLEX, the operator can select from either a HM high-speed multi-purpose head or a FM flexible multi-purpose super wide-range type head. Either head guarantees the user wide-ranging versatility without head replacement. The HM head, with its 10 nozzles, has the versatility to handle components from 03015 to 45 × 100 mm and heights up to 15 mm. However, high versatility alone is not enough to provide the power to handle everything. So the ZLEX also provides speeds of 90,000 cph under optimal conditions, making it the fastest in its class worldwide. The FM head is a 5-nozzle head. All heads support load control function. The FM head handles components from 03015 to 55 × 100 mm and in component heights up to a surprising 28 mm. The powerful component handling versatility from super tiny components to ultra tall components is what truly sets it apart from others. Both heads come with a side view camera as a standard. The missing components and components pickup status are detected with no lost time and high mounting quality is ensured. The superb versatility of the ZLEX can also be seen in handling diverse production configurations with a structure capable of meeting optimal specs at the customer work sites. Customers can select from a 1-beam type or 2-beam type. 2-beam type option can be selected from dual stage, dual lane or single lane, and 1-beam type option can be selected from dual lane or single lane. Selecting the optimal conveyor system or number of X-beams allowing wide-ranging flexible production categories from small volume multi-type production to total mass production. To keep pace with production of diverse components, we also boosted our feeding capability. Using the 8mm feeder conversion, ZLEX can install a maximum of 140 feeders. A total of 2 automatic tray feeder units can be attached, one each at the machine front and rear. The ZLEX is also available with a SATS-30 30-stage stationary type, as well as the compact CATS-10 10-stage carrier feeder. These 2 units can be freely combined in any combination. The SATS-30 can replace empty pallets one at a time with no stops in production. This drastically cuts losses from the excess downtime while production is stopped. ELAS is loaded with all types of features and functions to support high-quality mounting without requiring special operator skills. The first of all is eVision. The eVision automatically acquires the component's contour dimensions, lead information and offsite type, and creates the component's data. Components that vary from production specs are traced and processed by automatic data tuning. The entire process from creating component data to production requires no advanced machine operator skills. Another great function is high-speed smart recognition. This is capable of smoothly and efficiently creating data for components with special shapes whose dimensions are not easily converted to numerical data. This feature helps drastically cut the time and trouble when starting up new production. The nozzle check function. It automatically makes external and performance checks of the nozzle and stops production if a problem is found. A handy feeder maintenance notification function pinpoints those feeders requiring maintenance and alerts the machine operator. This is effective in reducing pickup errors. The chip vacuum check function constantly monitors the negative pressure from recognition to mounting in real time and decides if the pickup status of ultra-tiny components is correct. The pickup height teach function automatically measures the pickup height. This eliminates a great deal of time and trouble and achieves a high pickup rate. The all-inclusive modular mounter, ELAS, incorporates speed, components response versatility, and production capacity into a single unit, along with a one-head solution as its trump card, but its real value is something you have to discover for yourself. Making maximum use of fast mounter capability requires creating an optimal production line that can keep pace with it on the worksite. The machine needed to make this happen are the high-performance compact printer YCP10 and the high-end hybrid optical inspection system YSIV. First of all, let's take a look at the YCP10. The YCP10 has a cycle time of about 8 seconds. Position repeatability is accurate to 6 sigma ± 10 micrometers. The machine width is a compact 1.13 meters, yet includes the same printing performance as high-end models. The YCP10 can handle PCB sizes to a maximum length of 510 times width of 460 millimeters. It also supports a variety of stencil frames up to 750 times 750 millimeters. The head is Yamaha's unique in-house designed 3S head. The attack angle of the squeegee is automatically controlled as needed according to the solder fill pressure. The YCP10 can flexibly respond to a wide range of different conditions, such as for the solder and stencil to achieve high print quality. The various features of the YCP10 all serve to vastly enhance operability. The graphic visual alignment function combines 2 images as layers on the monitor to allow directly checking the position alignment. Fine alignment of parameters for print position alignment can be made without sophisticated machine operator skills. A stencil suction function, it corrects the stencil droop to ensure highly accurate and stable printing. Entry of an offset during back and forth printing has been eliminated and setup of changeover time has been drastically shortened. Furthermore, by eliminating a gap between stencil and PCB, stable printing with the correct solder amount is also provided. Installing an optional print inspection function allows making full-on comprehensive print inspections that include a feedback function using data from a high-resolution dedicated camera with a wide field of view. Another option detects the level of remaining solder on the stencil. This periodically measures the solder rolling width to prevent forgetting to refill the solder. The YCP10 gives high-cost performance, yet includes the same printing performance as high-end machines, and all in a compact machine body. The next machine is the YSIV inspection system made for use with mounting machines. This is essentially a high-end automated optical inspection system. This YSI-V is a hybrid system. It can make 2D, 3D, and 4-way angular inspections all on one unit. The YSI-V utilizes an industrial-grade camera to make high-speed 2D inspections that produce high-resolution images. This system includes a 12-megapixel high-resolution camera along with newly designed high-speed image processing technology that gives it testing capability twice that of the YSI-12. 3D inspection by the optical phase shift technique allows the YSI-V to make high-speed 3D height inspections. This technique can reliably detect unseated components and contaminations. It also detects the slope angle and direction via 3D theta slope inspection. Combining the 12 megapixels with 7 micrometer or 12 micrometer resolution gives sharp, distinct images of even tiny components such as 03015 chips thanks to Yamaha's unique in-house design high-speed, high-resolution inspection technique. It can even make speedy and accurate pass or fail inspections of solder fillet contour and volume. The 4-direction angular camera captures oblique images, allowing detection of defects not viewable from directly above, and so is ideal for making pass or fail decisions in visual inspections. This feature allows checking images from directly above and from 4-direction images. Images can also be freely enlarged as needed, and this will prove a powerful tool in making pass or fail decisions via visual inspections. The YSI-V also automatically inspects sloped images. Moreover, production time losses are drastically reduced since 4-direction images and 2D images taken from directly above the workpiece can be captured simultaneously. The navigation guide has 3 functions provided to make user operation and data creation easier. A liquid crystal touch panel that works by a simple touch of the finger. Programming navigation that allows anyone to easily create data just by following the navigation instructions, and a navigation guide loaded with functions such as new character recognition algorithms using our own unique in-house OCV technology. Feeding the inspection data back to the mounter is effective in preventing mounting errors and lowers the number of defects that might occur. The YSI-V is available with 3 options that customers can select from according to their needs and budget. The high-end version 12M, incorporating a 12-megapixel camera, is available as a new high-speed type in addition to the conventional deep focus type. The 5-megapixel type is also now available in a standard 5M version. The YSI-V that makes accurate inspections while offering multi-capabilities. It offers the promise of new innovation, delivering advanced inspection functions to the production site. The real deal. The ZLEX, the all-round most powerful mounter in Yamaha history. Providing powerful support to ZLEX, forming a highly streamlined production line, YCP10 and YSI-V. Yamaha is constantly seeking out customers' needs by asking what is currently happening at production sites and what is needed there.
Revs your heart, Yamaha.